So the VPP is the digital aggregation of sonnen batteries and chargers into one steerable asset that can be traded on ancillary service and energy markets. We have kind of three parties that make that happen, if you will. We have our end customers, of course, who are the owners of the sonnen batteries, and they're the ones that are really the heart of this operation. Next, we have the grid operators, who are the ones that need the flexibility and are operating the markets for energy to ensure that we have a stable and reliable grid. And then sonnen is kind of what ties it all together. So we have the software solution that we offer, and then we have energy traders, who are the experts in the market and can really help optimize for the end customer how the energy should be moved, when and where we should be deploying these assets. And the VPP is super special because when you have so many distributed energy resources, you can't steer them all individually, right? You really need to have an internal logic and an algorithm that optimizes that and makes sure that the customer's battery is protected and that the market is served, and we have the services and the technology to do that. The benefits of the VPP are really exciting because it benefits everyone involved. It benefits the grid operator in enabling them to have a decarbonized source of grid stabilization. Customers can benefit by obviously seeing lower energy bills, but also really being able to be an active participant in the energy transition and make passive income while they do it. And then finally we have sonnen, and sonnen is able to bring everyone together and kind of be the catalyst for all of this operation to happen. So the sonnen electricity contract is a flat contract, which means that you are protected from the risks of these really volatile markets because we have energy traders putting in hedges and really managing this market risk for you every single day, 24 hours a day. And that's something that you should really be able to sleep well with, knowing that there's no kind of risk to you. Sonnen is able to kind of operate the system in such a way that you are able to just access a flat energy contract and then not think about it. The steps to join a VPP are very simple. It's just enrolling in a sonnen energy contract. And we offer sonnen energy contracts in Germany, Australia, and Italy. And with these energy contracts, you're automatically enrolled in the VPP. You don't have to think about it anymore. You just start seeing the benefits on your energy bill. Our batteries are designed to be a part of the energy transition, not just in your home, but really at this grid scale. And because of that, it doesn't impact your warranty. We've really developed an algorithm that can fully optimize across the hardware and the market to deliver the most efficient solution without hurting your battery. And we're really transparent about when we use your battery. We integrate into the sonnen app a visualization of when the battery was active in the VPP. So you as the end customer can always see when you're participating in the VPP, and then you see the benefit on your energy bill as well. So you earn and you also learn about how we interact with the energy markets.